I am a firm believer of having a great workplace can boost work efficiency. Since I started committing to be a YouTuber, I've slowly setting up my studio and workspace where I can be creative in all of my work. I think I have finally gotten there. Last time I shared my technical setup. This time let me take you to tour the entire setup that is assembled with IKEA products. Let's start with the desk. The white laminate tabletop is the LINNMON tabletop. The one I got here is the 59 inches white version. It does come in a wide variety of width and colors. The SUSIG desk pad also gives a good friction and adds a bit of warm touch to the space. The white swivel chair was a rare find. For the price of $70, it is hard to find a similar style with this price tag anywhere else. The drawer here on the left is the KALLAX. I basically use it to store my camera gears. The tabletop is held with the OLOV adjustable legs on the left hand side, and the best-selling KALLAX shelf support the right hand side of the desk. I love this desk. It was the perfect size to fit in the small corner in my living room. As for the cutter storage, I opt for the matching set of white desk organizers. It is where I put my stationery, memory sticks, and small connectors. Looking at the walls, I have metal memo boards and diamond-shaped magnet. I also put up a simple shelf using very economical BURHULT shelf, which was only about $250 a piece. The brackets was also less than $1 each. The shelf also created an anchoring point for my microphone stand and an LED clamp spotlight. Moving on to the electrical stuff, I love the 40-watt USB charger and the wireless pad for my phone. The USB cable was also from IKEA, and the entire charging setup was about $30. Unlike some people who like their desk to have minimum extra items, I love to have everything in my arm's reach. So my Kindle and iPad are also placed on my desk with stands that were from IKEA as well. Lastly, for the lighting, I have an older version of paper foil lamp from IKEA. Although they discontinued this particular version, there are similar ones available. The accent light strip adds some style to the entire setup, and I like how I can change the color to match my mood. If you are in the process of setting up your home office, I hope this little tour gives you some idea to get you started. That's all for this week. Bye.